After travelling 1 month in Thailand and having some of the best experiences of my life, it was time to move on. I jumped on a flight to the UK to see some of my best mates Sam, Elliot and Mel, and spent roughly a month hopping from London to Prague and even to Scotland. However, for some reason I was feeling uninspired, and the first travel blues hit. Wondering where I should go and what to do with Christmas coming up, I decided to jump on the next flight to Cape Town and spend some family time with my old man, his fiancée and his dog Scupper. Here's a glimpse of the 2 weeks we had together.
Judy! Judy! Hello? Oh, nice. Boo! Oh, boo!
Okay, so there you go. Yep.
Got my sandwich in my hand. There's dolphins on the bow. Whoa, don't lose the camera. Okay. There you go. Woo!
It's amazing what a short amount of time with loved ones can do for your mindset. Although I was loving every minute of travelling, finding the time to create had me in a rut. I set out on this journey to create, and I wasn't. Dad has been filming his life since I can remember, and still is to this day. Some of the moments in Cape Town I'll never forget, and spending these moments with family made it that much better. Cape Town has some amazing beaches and spectacular views, but there were 2 moments in this trip that stood out. The first was seeing 300 to 400 dolphins approach the boat on our sail from Mossel Bay to Simonstown.
There is a massive pod of dolphins. They haven't left for about 15 minutes. Scupper's going crazy.
Last but not least is Table Mountain, one of the new 7 natural wonders of the world and a must for anyone visiting Cape Town. I recommend taking the gondola to the top just before sunset to witness something truly amazing. Watching the sunset over the Atlantic Ocean and the lights of Cape Town come to life was something I'll never forget.